Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 13th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the Kiwi dollar, we definitely did break down on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see. Pretty nice little break. But because the monthly, the weekly, and the daily is still up until we start getting significant breaks on the higher time frames, we do have to keep in mind that anything we see to the downside could possibly just be a pullback to the uptrend. So we got our Fibonacci retracement just on this last impulsive move up. If this does, bounce from the 78%, go up and give us a break on the 4 hour time frame, we definitely better stop looking for shorts and get back on the long side because the trend is definitely up on all the higher time frames. On the other hand, if it goes beyond these fib levels, starts giving us a breakdown, then we definitely should continue to look for shorts. So on the shorter time frames, like the 1 hour time frame and below, we should be looking for shorts. Well, hopefully we learn and earn whether this is a trend reversal or whether this is just a pullback within the uptrend. So if we bounce from a fib level, go up and break structure, then you definitely want to get back on the long side. If this really is a trend reversal on the higher time frames, then it will not break structure at a fib level. It may still bounce from a fib level, but it won't break structure. And instead, it'll just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. And if you're looking for shorts, hopefully you'll be learning and earning at the same time, whether we're looking at a complete trend reversal on the higher time frames or whether this is just a pullback to the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.